There is a button here, and then operate it. First, turn on the remote control. If the Bluetooth chip is flashing, you need to hold the button down. When the chip goes from fast flashing to a constant light without flashing, then release the button. Then the remote control is matched. When the chip shows red, you need to press the button twice. After pressing it twice, it will turn into a flashing state. Then press and hold the button when it flashes from fast to no flashing. The remote control will be successfully matched.